Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tomica Table, and today I have with me a made in Japan Nissan Silvia. So let's have a look at the car, but first the box. So as you can see the back, number 6 here, red Tommy logo, made in 1995 in Japan. So on the top, just see some facts about Tomica in Japanese, and on the base is just the warning symbol. Size, yes, number 6 and number 6. Let's open up the box and take a look at the car. So this car has no plastic wrapping on it. And yes, you may want a bit of a moment to admire the car. I mean, yes, it is a classic. Very nice. So starting off of this side, we can see the doors open. And this is one of the few models that actually included wing mirrors. Side mirrors. I mean, Tomica doesn't do side mirrors anymore. I mean, if you take a look at the MP1, there are no side mirrors. If you look at any other newer car, there aren't any side mirrors. I think they removed it due to them breaking off and small children playing with them. So anyway, for the front, we have our number plate as well as the chrome part. Well, the chrome has a bit of black stuff in the center. I have no idea what that is. Probably just a marker. Yeah, it's just a marker. I can clean that off. So, also, nice light brown interior, simulating leather, I suppose. And this dark gray stripe continues all the way around to the back. As you can see, non-painted tail lights here, no tempos. And for the base, 1989 Tommy Nissan Silvia, made in Japan, number 6. Yeah, a bit of paint loss over there. I mean, not too bad for getting the car really cheap. Good suspension, chrome wheels, 4-studded. But overall, very nice car. The rolling isn't so smooth. I mean, it stops after a while, but you know, I got this one pretty cheap. I guess it's due to these reasons. So anyway, when I reach 100 subscribers, yes, I'm gonna have a channel intro, and it's made by my fan Tomica Unboxing. So yeah, thank you to Tomica Unboxing, and go and check out his channel if you haven't already. So thank you all for watching. Do like, comment, and subscribe.